Roasted paste of beetroot. Watch till the end. Take 2 beetroot and cut into small pieces. Then take a pressure cooker, pour the beetroot pieces, then add some water for boil, and it boils under 2 whistle of pressure cooker, and add some rock salt and close the pressure cooker. Then take a mixer jar and add little quantity of mustard seeds and add boiled beetroot pieces, then add 2 green chili and then pour some water and add a little bit of rock salt and then mix it. Then take a non-stick karai, add some mustard oil, then add black cumin seeds and fry it little bit, and then pour the mixture of beetroot and fry it for 5 to 6 minutes. Beetroot is very rich of vitamin B9 which helps cells grow and function. Then add a pinch of turmeric powder and add some sugar and then add some rock salt and mix it very well. Beetroot is very healthy. It reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. It's a must try. Please try it at home. It's fire until it's thick. Make it thick paste. Look, the paste is almost ready and it's thick. Now turn off the gas and it's ready to serve. Now the roasted paste of beetroot, which calls in Bengali beetroot butter, is fully ready and ready to serve. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and watch innovative shorts and videos and let me know how it is. Thank you, friends.